Hello everyone. Let's take fourth one on page number 73. What is given? Segment RS is a diameter of circle with center O. RS is a diameter with circle with center O. Point T lies in the exterior of the circle. This point T is given. Then prove that angle RTS. That means first of all you have to draw here segment RT and S. TS. RTS is an acute angle. When you draw here, draw segment. Draw segment RT which intersects the circle at point M. Let's take this point as M. Now here let's prove this angle is acute. Now what do you mean by acute angle? Acute angle means its measure is less than 90. Now here if you draw here this segment like this, draw segment MS. After drawing this segment, this is an inscribed angle, that is this angle is inscribed in a semicircle. Angle RMS is inscribed in a semicircle and therefore the measure of this inscribed angle is 90. Now if this one is 90, this is also 90. Ha sudha 90 samajh. Now in this triangle MST, measure of this angle is 90 plus angle T plus angle S is equal to 180. Sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is 180. Now angle T plus angle S is equal to 180 minus 90 and angle T plus angle S is equal to 90. म्हणजे या दोघांचं ॲडिशन 90 येते. याचा अर्थ प्रत्येक वेळी ॲडिशन 90 येते तर एकाचं याचं 90 आणि याचं 0 अँगल आहे असं कधी होईल का? शक्यच नाही. याचा अर्थ एक तर याचं 80 जरी असलं तरी याचा 10 येईल. दोघांचं ॲडिशन 80 जरी असलं तर ते 10 येईल. समजा याचं 70 असेल तर याचं 20 येईल आहे. तर अशा पद्धतीने this measure, that means sum is equal to 90, that means angle, this sum is, that means this angle and this angle, both the angles are less than 90 असेल तेव्हाच त्यांचं सम 90 येईल आणि म्हणून this angle is an acute angle. मग आता हे कसं लिहायचं? After drawing here angle RMS is inscribed in semicircle. If it is inscribed in semicircle and therefore angle RMS is equal to 90 degree. And therefore, if this one is 90, this becomes 90 and therefore angle SMT is equal to 90 degree because angles in a linear pair. Now in triangle, कोणत्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये? TMS. T triangle TMS. This angle TMS plus angle MTS plus angle TSM SM is equal to 180. TMS is equal to 90 plus MTS plus angle TSM is equal to 180.
ऐसे सही करूँगा.
and therefore angle MTS plus angle TSM is equal to 180 minus 90, and therefore angle MTS plus angle TSM is equal to 90. That is, angle MTS plus angle TSM is less than 90. या दोघांचं एडिशन 90 च्या कमी आहे, and therefore angle MTS is also less than 90 degree. That is, angle MTS plus RTS म्हणता येईल. That is, RTS is less than 90 because R dash M dash T, R dash M dash T, and therefore angle RTS दिसतंय एवढं? RTS is an acute angle. 90 च्या कमी असेल तर तो acute angle होतो. After that, let's take fifth one. Prove that any rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Consider this A, B, C, D is a rectangle, that means each angle is of 90 degree. आता हे सेंटेन्स प्रूफ आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला इथे पहिल्यांदा गिवन लिहावं लागेल. फक्त सेंटेन्स दिलेला आहे. गिवन क्वाड्रिलॅटरल A, B, C, D is a rectangle. To prove, सोपी प्रूफ है. क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. प्रूफ, if it is a rectangle, that means each angle is of 90 degree. That means these two are opposite. Addition of these two is 180, and therefore if addition of opposite angles is 180, that means that quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral by converse of cyclic quadrilateral, converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. आता हे अतिशय सोपी असं प्रूफ आहे. क्वाड्रिलॅटरल ABCD is a rectangle. This is given, and therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree, and therefore angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. And therefore, by the converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, by converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. तर हे अतिशय सोपी असं प्रूफ आहे. त्यानंतर सिक्स्थ वन, किती वेळ झाला ते बघू द्या, 10 मिनिटं. W, X, Z, T and Y. Number 1, to prove. Quadrilateral WZPT is cyclic. आता बघा याच्यामध्ये WZPT इज सायक्लिक हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. पहिल्यांदा हे एक्झाम्पल समजून घ्या, मग मी कसं लिहायचं ते सांगते. Here, if this angle is of 90, WZPT, that means this quadrilateral. This one is 90, this one is 90, they are opposite angles, and if their addition 90 plus 90, 180, they are supplementary, that means this quadrilateral is cyclic. झाला पहिला पोर्शन प्रूफ. त्यानंतर दुसरा पोर्शन पॉइंट्स XZTY, XZTY. आता याच्यासाठी आपण इथे वेगळी दुसरी डायग्राम काढू. पहिल्यांदा हा पोर्शन प्रूफ. In quadrilateral WZPT, angle WZP is equal to angle WTP is equal to 90. This portion is given, and therefore angle WZP plus angle WTP is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. And therefore by converse of theorem of cyclic quadrilateral WZPT is cyclic.